I want you viewers to take a look at one image. An image from earlier in the day in Lucknow, where Arvind Kejriwal and his closest aides reached the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. They were there to address a joint press conference along with Akhilesh Yadav. He, remember, is a member of the opposition alliance, which is out to save democracy, the constitution, and generally establish the rule of law and the rule of good in India. But accompanying Arvind Kejriwal on this trip to Lucknow in his journey to save democracy was one man who stood out. That man is Kumar Bibhav. Ironically, sharing the frame with Arvind Kejriwal and Bibhav Kumar was Sanjay Singh, who just days ago had said that what Bibhav Kumar has done, assaulted, misbehaved with a lady MP of their own party, not somebody else, not just any woman, but a member of parliament of the Aam Aadmi Party, somebody who headed the Delhi Commission of Women. That Bibhav Kumar was at the elbow of Arvind Kejriwal. Sanjay Singh said the CM is very, very angry. He has taken very strong note of what Bibhav Kumar did. And so strongly did Arvind Kejriwal note what had happened that he quickly picked up the same person, put him in a plane and carted him along with himself to Lucknow, because obviously when you're angry with someone, you won't want them to be out of your eyesight. Once Mr. Kejriwal landed in Lucknow, naturally, some questions were asked of him. The most important question was, what about Swati Maliwal? Why is Bibhav Kumar with you? Watch what happened next.
अरविंद जी, स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है। आपकी ओर से आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक,
अरे उससे ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
अरविंद जी, स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है। आपकी ओर से आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक,
अरे उससे ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
अरविंद जी, स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक आप कुछ बोले नहीं है। आपकी ओर से आपके साथ में स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में अभी तक,
अरे उससे ज्यादा जरूरी और चीजें भी हैं।
So Arvind Kejriwal quickly pushed the microphones away from himself, and Akhilesh Yadav declared there are more important things to attend to, because it's fairly common, right? Why should it be important to address the issue of a woman being beaten up, a woman who's a member of parliament of your party? Why is it important to address the question on why the man who assaulted her is now sitting with you? Surely that is not important enough. Now let's come to Sanjay Singh. He, of course, was also in that plane which brought Arvind Kejriwal to Lucknow. He, 2 days ago, was fulminating. Apparently, he had been brought in from Mumbai to try and broker peace. He met Swati Maliwal. Apparently, he was there to placate her. Eventually, he was the one who, after 31 hours of complete silence on the part of the Aam Aadmi Party, finally went so far as to acknowledge कि अभद्रता हुई है और कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाएगी. Today, when he was asked, what happened to the Kadi Karwai? Why is this gentleman, instead of Kadi Karwai, barely even been given Kadi Ninda, and now is again one of your closest aides? Here's how he responded.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई, जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी। ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की।
केजरीवाल जी आपके साथ घूम रहे, उनके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
बोल रहे हैं, बता रहे।
संजय जी, आपने बात कही थी।
हाँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बोल रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड बोल रहा हूँ। सब लोग, पूरा देश हतप्रभ है, दुखी है, आज तक पीड़ित है। मणिपुर के अंदर एक कारगिल योद्धा की पत्नी को निवस्त करके घुमाया गया, सैकड़ों महिलाओं के साथ दरिंदगी हुई, भारत के प्रधानमंत्री खामोश रहते हैं।
The same old whataboutery. By the way, should Manipur be investigated? Absolutely yes. Is it being investigated? Absolutely yes. Should Brijbhushan Sharan Singh be investigated? Absolutely yes. Because you'll hear this whataboutery again and again. But the question is, today, when the self-same people who were vocal and rightly so about all of these issues, about Brijbhushan Sharan Singh, Manipur, Prajwal Revanna, today actually, believe it or not, when they were asked the same question, what about Vibhav Kumar? Said it is up to Aam Aadmi Party to settle it within themselves, almost like a Kaap Panchayat of sorts, where remember, when anything happened, you said, let's not let word get out. We're just going to sort it amongst ourselves. And that pretty much seemed to be the attitude of all of Aam Aadmi Party's allies today as well.
देखिए, इसमें दो बात है कि महिलाओं के साथ अगर कहीं भी अत्याचार हो रहा है, कुछ भी गलत होता है, तो हम उन्हीं के साथ खड़े हैं। मैं हमेशा महिलाओं के साथ ही खड़ी रहती हूँ, चाहे किसी भी पार्टी की हो। दूसरा, आपने कहा कि आम आदमी पार्टी आपस में डिस्कस करेंगे, वो उनके नेता हैं तो वो आपस में निर्णय लेंगे, ये उन पर है।
तो उनको क्या फिक्र है इन बातों पे? ये तो अंदरूनी मामला है आप पार्टी का, ठीक है ना? तो आप जरा प्रज्वल के बारे में भी तो सोचिए ना, उसके बारे में क्यों नहीं बयान देते आप? वो जेडीएस का अंदरूनी मामला है।
So when did a crime actually become anybody's or any party's anduruni mamla, or are these just the compulsions of coalition? Joining us, Tuhin Sinha, national spokesperson of the BJP, political analyst Tushar Gupta, Akhilesh Katiyar, national spokesperson Samajwadi Party, advocate Kapil Madan, political analyst, Abhishek Sudhir, lawyer and political analyst, all this while has very stridently defended the Aam Aadmi Party. But tell me now, how is it that in 48 hours, Abhishek Sudhir, Kadi Karwai has turned into this, having Kumar Bevab accompany the chief minister? Is this the Kadi Karwai he was threatened with? कि मैं तुम्हें प्लेन में बिठा के लखनऊ ले जाऊंगा? बहुत ही कड़ी कार्रवाई।
Look, Padmaja, the difference between the BJP, their spokespersons, their proxies and their supporters and me is this. I believe a woman when she says that she has been sexually assaulted or assaulted. They refuse to believe our female wrestlers. Whatever Swati Maliwal says in her complaint, when she files it with the police, and your sources, I think, are indicating that she's filed the complaint, so maybe we'll have details very soon about what exactly happened in the Chief Minister's residence. I will believe Swati Maliwal. Unlike Mr. Tushar Gupta, who referred to the female wrestlers who said they were molested by Brijbhushan Sharan Singh as paid goons. You can see his Twitter timeline, 23rd May 2023. He called our female wrestlers paid goons.
I will not cast aspersions on Swati Maliwal. That's not the question I asked you. I will not cast aspersions. No. Don't try and take it down the path of whataboutery.
I believe Swati Maliwal.
I am asking you very simply.
You are not allowing me to. You're not.
48 hours ago, the same Sanjay Singh said, we will do Kadi Karwai, because you're not addressing the question.
I'm
this is not about who you believe. This is not about who you believe. By the way, 3 days ago, you said nobody knows whether it was Swati Maliwal or not. So you don't believe her. Don't say 3 days later that, oh, I believe the victim. No. Answer the question. 2 days ago, Sanjay Singh said, we will do Kadi Karwai. What is that Kadi Karwai? What Kadi Karwai has been done?
Please listen to me. The only channel I've appeared on this topic is your channel. And I did a show with you 48 hours ago where I again said, Swati Maliwal is the victim in this case. Swati Maliwal should be believed and strict action should be taken against the alleged perpetrator. There should be a full and fair inquiry.
You actually did not say that.
The police will conduct
you said we don't know who made that phone call. It was an unknown woman. But this is not about you. Answer the question.
I didn't say
Answer
that.
the question. What was the Kadi Karwai? Sanjay Singh is a Rajya Sabha member of Parliament. 48 hours ago he said the Chief Minister has taken cognizance. There will be Kadi Karwai. What is that Kadi Karwai?
Sure. First of all, there has to be an internal inquiry. You won't allow me to complete. Please allow me to say my piece. Then you can ask your questions. The Aam Aadmi Party, in my opinion, in my personal opinion, I'm a citizen of this country, I'm not a member of any political party, should conduct a full, fair and free inquiry. They should bring in an external law firm that should conduct an inquiry. Swati Maliwal should be allowed to make her case. And Vibhav Kumar, under the principles of natural justice, should be allowed to make his case. There should be a full, free and fair internal inquiry. There should also be, of course, a criminal inquiry. The Delhi police has still not spoken to Bibhav Kumar. The Delhi police has still not summoned Bibhav Kumar. Whereas if it's any other case, they're ready to arrest Aam Aadmi Party leaders.
That is not the question. What are we inquiring, sir?
What is the question? I am telling you that there should be
acknowledged wrongdoing on the part of Bibhav Kumar. The party has acknowledged wrongdoing on part of Bibhav Kumar. What was he doing with the Chief Minister?
So I agree with you. They should carry out an inquiry.
What
They
was he
should
doing with
carry
the
out a
Chief
full
Minister?
and fair inquiry and ask Swati Maliwal to
Bibhav Kumar is
participate.
being protected.
Sorry?
What inquiry will be there
You
by
are saying
people
Bibhav
who
Kumar is
are obviously
protected on what
patronizing
evidence
the
you are saying?
criminal? If you yourself have acknowledged that he committed a crime,
Then let
and
the
now
Delhi
you're
police summon
patronizing him,
Bibhav Kumar.
What locus standi do you have to carry out
Let the
an
Delhi
inquiry,
police
internal
summon
or
Bibhav
external?
Kumar. You have no questions for the Delhi police? Do you have no questions for the Delhi police? Why is the Delhi police not summoned Bibhav Kumar? They will summon Arvind Kejriwal 10 times in other cases. They can't summon Bibhav Kumar
They
in this
will.
case.
Now
Summon
that she
Bibhav
has filed a
Kumar,
complaint,
put questions
they
to
will.
Bibhav Kumar, interview
I am
Bibhav
asking
Kumar.
you, for all the
They will have to wait for her to
homilies
file a
and
complaint, by
holier
the way.
than thou, sermonizing that happens about, we do not patronize criminals. We are very, very clear about how
As a
we
single
trust
BJP
the women, believe the
spokesperson
victims.
held a press
First of all,
conference saying Brijbhushan Saran Singh was wrong.
Nobody
As a single
spoke
BJP
up
leader
for her.
held a press
Then
conference
you
saying that what
came
Brijbhushan
and
Saran Singh
said,
did was wrong.
then you came
You have an
and
agenda.
said the
You have a
man
single
has
point
insulted
agenda.
and assaulted
Your
Swati
entire media
Maliwal.
network
We
has
will
a single point agenda
address
against
it.
Aam Aadmi Party. You all have a single point agenda against Aam Aadmi Party. You all are obsessed
Sir,
with Aam Aadmi Party.
attacking me
Every day,
or
all
our
you do is Aam
network
Aadmi Party,
is
Aam
not
Aadmi Party.
going to get you out
Brijbhushan
of
Saran
a
Singh,
very, very
they
tight and
boycott your
sordid
network.
spot that you
They
have put
boycott your
yourself
network.
in.
Why do you think they boycott
You
your
can
network?
attack me
Why do you
all
think
you
they boycott
want.
your network?
I
You are not
wasn't
fair
in
and
the
balanced.
company of
You
a
should be
man
fair
who
and
has
balanced.
beaten up a
Ask Tushar
woman.
Gupta.
I wasn't
Ask
the
Tushar
person
Gupta
who
why he
put
called
a
our
woman
female wrestlers
beater
paid
in her
goons.
plane
Ask
and
Tushar
took
Gupta
him
why
to
he called our
Lucknow.
female wrestlers paid
So you
goons.
can attack me
Ask
all
them
you
why they're
want,
protecting Brijbhushan
but
Saran
I
Singh.
wasn't in the
Is
company
Brijbhushan
of a
Saran
man
Singh not being
who
protected?
misbehaves
Is
with
Brijbhushan Saran
women.
Singh not being protected?
So you can
As
attack
the
me,
Prime Minister
but
did a press
it's
conference on
rather a
Brijbhushan
sad
Saran
comment
Singh.
on
As
you
the Prime Minister
and
said
Arvind
what
Kejriwal.
Brijbhushan Saran Singh has done is wrong.
It's a very sad comment on you. You have
As
nothing to
Brijbhushan
say.
Saran Singh,
Literally
they said
nothing.
what he did was
Tuhin Sinha, ultimately it all boils down to who has what moral standing. Who has what moral standing? You were quiet on Brijbhushan. They are quiet on Swati Maliwal.
No, there is no comparison. Immediately the IOA had instituted a 7-member inquiry team headed by Mary Kom. So I don't think there is any comparison. The fact is, in the last 80 hours, the effortless and shameless manner in which Aam Aadmi Party has normalized the assault on a woman Rajya Sabha member inside the CM's house shows it as a very shady and a very creepy entity with a depraved leader who has an inherent psyche for violence. This is the second time such an assault has taken place inside the CM's house. The first time it was on an ex-chief secretary of the Delhi government. So you can imagine possibly, similar assaults may have taken place on lesser known people. So that's point number one. Point number two, I don't know, what is stated in the complaint filed by Swati Maliwal. But if her ex-husband's video released is to be taken seriously, it hints towards molestation. So the issue over here is far more grave, far more serious than what we imagine it to be yet. Third, when Bibhav Kumar was mentioned by Sanjay Singh, Bibhav Kumar could not have behaved in that manner without Arvind Kejriwal being the abettor. And therefore, I think, somebody who is out on bail needs to explain his behavior, and the court should take notice. Somebody who's out on a bail for 20 days, it ideally needs to explain his behavior to the court. But finally, what is most depressing and most despicable is the attitude of the Indie Alliance partners. Not only has Akhilesh Yadav completely normalized it, Priyanka Gandhi, of all people, says that they should settle it between themselves. Is this the way Ladki Hoon, Lad Sakti Hoon campaign goes on? And I'm told that there is a deal being worked out between Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, where Arvind Kejriwal will campaign for the Congress candidates only on condition that the Congress Party does not raise this issue in Punjab. So this is the kind of shady deals which these people work.
How do you respond to that, Kapil Madan? To say in the same breath, I actually want to play out for our viewers again what Priyanka Gandhi said. She said, I'm with every woman, but Aam Aadmi Party will sort it out on their own. Since when? Listen to Priyanka Gandhi.
देखिए, इसमें दो बात है कि महिलाओं के साथ अगर कहीं भी अत्याचार हो रहा है, कुछ भी गलत होता है, तो हम उन्हीं के साथ खड़े हैं। मैं हमेशा महिलाओं के साथ ही खड़ी रहती हूँ, चाहे किसी भी पार्टी की हो। दूसरा, आपने कहा कि आम आदमी पार्टी आपस में डिस्कस करेंगे, वो उनके नेता हैं तो वो आपस में निर्णय लेंगे, ये उन पर है।
आपस में निर्णय लेंगे? कपिल मदान, यू आर अ लॉयर, ये कब से होने लगा आपस में निर्णय? मैं नहीं कंडेम कर सकती।
Padmaja, allow me to now, make my point. Now, there are two factors here. Till now, in fact, we just got the report that she has now formally filed the complaint. Until this half an hour, when, this entire whatever information we had, we never knew what is the allegation that she has made, who has specifically assaulted, because it has to come from Swati Maliwal's mouth herself. And now she has filed the complaint. As Abhishek also said, we'll have more clarity. And law will...
who assaulted her, because not just Swati Maliwal. Sanjay Singh said who assaulted her. It's Vibhav Kumar.
Padmaja, Sanjay Singh is not Swati Maliwal. All I am saying is Sanjay Singh will not go and file a complaint. Swati Maliwal will go and file the complaint. She is the victim in this case, and there has to be an investigation. There are no two doubts about it. But let me give you a contrasting view. Do you see a situation
so tell
where
me this,
Swati
Kapil Madan, when you first
heard
of the despicable behavior of Prajwal Revanna, did you wait for an investigation and an FIR and the victim to come on camera and record a 2-minute long testimony? Then you will hear it, then you will judge it on its merits and then condemn?
I will now make
what does it take to condemn despicable behavior? You wait for an investigation.
Now, Padmaja, you are trying to create two contrasting and you're trying to confuse people, because one is a case of assault at best, other is a case of rape and sexual charges. You cannot compare these two. If at all you have to compare anything, you can compare Prajwal Revanna with Brij Bhushan Singh, where the honorable, our wrestlers has to sit on dharna. They were being lathi charged, and that's how they were being treated. There was 1 month delay in registration of the FIR. They had to sit on a dharna. Despite the dharna, there were a lathi charge with them. Now let me now give you another point. Now let me give you another point.
So when a person is accused of sexual assault like Brij Bhushan, then you immediately condemn. But when it is just a minor beating, then you are like, I'll wait for FIR.
We have uninterrupted time to Tuhin, allow me to make my point now. Now, insofar as internal party, what action party has taken? Now, in Brij Bhushan case, what is the action party has taken? They have given, seat to his son. Is there an internal inquiry against Brij Bhushan Singh? No. Was he made to resign from MP's position? No. It's your reporter asked this question too.
Right?
I remember.
So BJP and Aam Aadmi Party are the same.
And what he did to your reporter.
Condemn the Aam Aadmi Party like you condemn the BJP.
No, I am sorry. Do you?
I don't. I think it's despicable what he did. But you condemned it, rightly so. What stops the Congress from condemning Aam Aadmi Party just like they condemn Brij Bhushan and the BJP in that case?
Padmaja, I am asking you a very simple question. Brij Bhushan
I am answering you. I am saying what Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh did was wrong. You condemned it. I condemned it. Action should be taken against him. I have no qualms in saying it.
No, I am saying.
Do you now say that Aam Aadmi Party should immediately sack Kumar Bibhav, and the fact that they haven't shows that they are hypocritical and they are patronizing a criminal? Yes or no?
Padmaja, all I am saying is law will take on course. And if there are evidence against anyone, be it anyone, if there is an evidence of wrongdoing against anyone,
you're waiting for evidence now.
Action should be taken against him. What would
qualify as evidence? What would qualify as enough evidence for you to condemn?
I'm sorry.
What would qualify as enough evidence for you to condemn? Action तो बात की बात है. What would qualify as enough evidence for you to condemn, for the Congress party to condemn?
Do you have the copy of the complaint? I will not create any
You want
imaginary
a copy of the
story.
complaint now?
No, I am sorry. I will see
Okay.
the complaint. I will see the allegation, and then I'll answer.
Imaginary story.
Of course, yes.
You're okay. So Tushar
Of
Gupta,
course,
one,
yes. Of course, yes. I cannot-
beating
I cannot
and
script
sexual
what has
assault
happened
cannot be
there.
compared.
Something has
And two, do you have the complaint? If you have the complaint, then there will be condemnation. Tushar Gupta.
Good evening, Padmaja. Let's get a few things out of the way. Any Rajya Sabha MP being assaulted inside the house of a chief minister is not an internal party matter. Swati Maliwal is the member of the upper house of the parliament. She has a say in the formulation of the policies of this country. She may agree or disagree, but this is not an internal party matter. Last I recall, Arvind Kejriwal was given a bail to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. 21 days of exemption, exception and generosity of the Supreme Court. Is this the kind of campaigning that is going on? The assault, in the words of Sanjay Singh, happened at the chief minister's residence and by the PA. As he confessed in the press conference that some wrongdoing may have happened, some misbehavior happened. This was the Sanjay Singh press conference. And today we see that the PA is accompanying Arvind Kejriwal to Lucknow. So doesn't it be the moral responsibility of Arvind Kejriwal to suspend at least his PA until the investigation is completed? He was waiting for the formal complaint to be filed, which was filed an hour ago, and will now he fire the PA? Well, this is how politics is going to be changed by the Aam Aadmi Party, which always have lofty words to say and lofty allegations to make against every other party. Padmaja, again, since day one, we are asking three basic questions. It was happening at the residence of the chief minister, where there are several officers, several people present. How did the PA or anyone, whoever it was, manage to assault Swati Maliwal? Number two, how did the situation get so
They
bad
are saying,
that Swati Maliwal
Kapil Madan is
had to
saying,
make
do not create
frantic calls to the
equivalence.
police?
Do not create equivalence. This is a small crime. It's a small crime, he seems to be insinuating, because it was just a beating. To say, oh, you condemned Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, but you did not condemn this, is false equivalence.
Though then I have to make a very shocking statement that I'm surprised that Kapil Madan is saying that beating someone is a small crime, irrespective of their gender. A Rajya Sabha MP was beaten, assaulted, and is that a small crime? And that too inside the Chief Minister's residence. A Chief Minister who say, हम महिलाओं को बचाएंगे, हम महिलाओं की सुरक्षा की गारंटी देते हैं, हम महिलाओं के लिए दिल्ली safe बनाएंगे. Is this the kind of precedent that Kapil wants to set? I hope not. I really hope not.
No, Padmaja, let me clarify once again. I have never said that it's a small crime. All I'm saying is that you cannot compare it with what has happened in Prajwal Ramanna's case, because that's the case where several women were raped. And this is a case at best of an assault. So you cannot compare these two situations. Again, I'm reiterating, there has to be an investigation with Earth, who is the person involved, and whatever is the section that gets attracted. A person should be booked under that section, and there should be consequence. I mean, there cannot be any second. There cannot be a second doubt about it.
So it is a crime.
Engage in hyperbole.
No, Padmaja, my problem is. No, Padmaja, my problem is that two gentlemen on this panel are trying to dilute the magnitude of what happened by comparing it to other crimes. Why is it so difficult for these two gentlemen to say that something wrong did happen, the assault did happen, it's a crime? Why do they have to indulge in whataboutery, compare it with some other crime which was also a crime? Why to dilute the magnitude of what happened with Swati Maliwal? She was not seen for more than 2 days. It's taken her the third day to file a formal complaint against the police. We do not know what kind of trauma she is in. We do not know what she's feeling right now. We do not know if she wants to talk to the press or is in a condition to talk to the press. And these gentlemen here are saying, अरे पर देखो वहां क्या हुआ था, वहां क्या हुआ था. कितना मुश्किल है आपके लिए समझना कि यहाँ पर क्राइम हुआ है. Why can't you see it as an isolated event? Why do you need to get into the politics of whataboutery? It's disgraceful. It's shameful. Utterly unbelievable. Kapil, you're a dear friend. Utterly unbelievable.
And to think that a former chief minister like Akhilesh Yadav आज बोल रहे हैं ज्यादा जरूरी चीजें हैं. अभी हमारे को खबर मिल रही है कि जो कंप्लेंट की है स्वाति मालीवाल ने उसमें ना सिर्फ विभव बट औरों की भी भूमिका की जांच की जाएगी. आपसे सिर्फ ये सवाल पूछा गया, सर स्वाति मालीवाल के बारे में क्या, और उन्होंने कह दिया ज्यादा जरूरी चीजें हैं. एक महिला के साथ हुआ कोई अभद्रता जरूरी नहीं है पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री के लिए.
नहीं, जो स्वाति पद्मजा जी, जो स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ हुआ है, हम सबको इस बात से उनके प्रति है कि न्याय मिलना चाहिए। और जिसने भी वैभव, जिसने ये घटना जिनके साथ हुई है, FIR होगी, अभी बात कर रहे थे आप, उनके साथ मुझे लगता है कि जो कार्रवाई होगी, और आम आदमी पार्टी का संगठन भी पूरी जानकारी लेके उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेगा। मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहता हूं, जो गलत हुआ है, जिसने गलती की है, अपराध जिसने किया है, उसे उसकी सजा मिलनी चाहिए, उस जो संगठन के तौर पे भी मिलनी चाहिए, और जो हमारा जो अपराध का जो व्यवस्था है उसके अनुसार भी मिलनी चाहिए। दोनों तरीके से हम इस घटना की निंदा करते हैं और उनको न्याय मिलना चाहिए। पद्मजा जी, एक बात। दूसरी बात, मैं एक चीज यहीं पे कर दूं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे कि आप इसको लेके बड़ा एग्रेसिवली एक प्रोग्राम कर रही है। जब मणिपुर की महिलाओं को लेके दिल्ली में स्वाति मालीवाल जी कार्यक्रम कर रही थी, तो उनके साथ किस तरीके से मारपीट और क्या बदतमीजी हुई थी, वो भी हम लोगों ने देखा है। हमें अच्छा लगता है कि कार्यक्रम उस पर भी ऐसा ही होता। हाथरस में हुआ, मैं किसी घटना को किसी से जोड़ नहीं रहा हूं, मुझे भरोसा है
संजय सिंह, शायद आप मेरा शो देखते नहीं हैं, आप जरूर देखिए, आपको ज्यादा खुशी मिलती, क्योंकि उस पे भी ना सिर्फ हमने कार्यक्रम किया था, बिकॉज कार्यक्रम इज नॉट इनफ। Categorically, I have said, people who did it in Manipur belong in jail. उस पे तो कोई डिबेट ही नहीं है। मैं आपसे एज राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता सिर्फ एक सवाल पूछती हूँ, बहुत ही सिंपल। आम आदमी पार्टी एक ऐसे आदमी को अपने साथ लेकर के आती है आपके मंच पर, जिन्होंने महिला के साथ अभद्रता की है, क्या ये निंदनीय है, हाँ या ना?
निश्चित तौर पर निंदनीय है, निश्चित तौर पर निंदनीय है। और मुझे भरोसा है आम आदमी पार्टी पे कि जो उनके जिस भी ये वैभव वगैरह जो भी है, पूरी जानकारी करके उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करके करेंगे वो लोग, उनका संगठन इसमें फैसला लेगा।
और अखिलेश यादव जी के साथ मीटिंग से पहले अरविंद केजरीवाल को विभव को अपने साथ नहीं लाना चाहिए था, ये आप मान रहे हैं, इसकी निंदा कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, जो उस घटना हुई है, हमने अभी FIR स्वाति जी ने क्या उसमें पुलिस को दी है, उसके डॉक्यूमेंट हमने नहीं देखे हैं, मुझे बहुत जानकारी नहीं है कि वो क्या FIR के अंदर उन्होंने पॉइंट लिखे हैं, क्योंकि घटना एक ऐसी जगह हुई है जो सोशली आप नहीं जान सकते थे, वो स्वाति मालीवाल ही बता सकते हैं कि क्या हुआ है। तो अगर वो जानकारी में आएगी तो हम उस पर भी बात करेंगे, लेकिन जो वो कह रही है, जो उनके पास
तुहिन सिन्हा। Okay, everyone wants to wait to hear from Swati Maliwal.
Could you repeat, Padmasha, please?
Tuhin Sinha, everyone, Congress Party, Samajwadi Party, they're all waiting to hear from Swati Maliwal. They're saying it's bad, but let's wait to hear more.
They have already heard from Sanjay Singh. Do they not trust their own Rajya Sabha member of Parliament? You know, it's very shameful, Padmaja. You know, I don't know why they are equating it with what happened in Manipur. What happened in Manipur is extremely condemnable, but that was carried out by extremists, that was carried out by dreaded criminals. Are they suggesting that, you know, Kejriwal, you know, should be equated with those criminals? I don't know, where is the comparison? Fact is that this is not the first time Aam Aadmi Party has normalized crime against women. The present candidate of the New Delhi seat of Aam Aadmi Party, Somnath Bharti, he had, you know, some very serious charges leveled against him by his wife, including of unleashing dogs upon her and trying to kill her. Even at that point of time, Arvind Kejriwal had virtually condoned it, and he has been rewarded with a Lok Sabha ticket. So I think, you know, Aam Aadmi Party needs to introspect. They compare it with Revanna. They are only indicting their own Karnataka government, state government, which did not act till Revanna had fled. Who's the state government? Which is the state party running the state government in Karnataka? So I don't know why they are making false equivalences which are only showing them in poor light.
Abhishek Sudhir.
Padmaja, let me be absolutely 100% clear. I believe Swati Maliwal. When the complaint is made by Swati Maliwal, I will believe the contents of that complaint, and strict action should be taken against the alleged perpetrator. Let me be unequivocal about it. I don't believe women on the basis of their political affiliations. I don't believe women on the basis of convenience. I believe all women, All right, these same BJP spokespersons and these BJP supporters refuse to believe our female wrestlers. They still refuse to believe our female wrestlers. None of their leaders have held a press conference the way Sanjay Singh held a press conference and said, "Jo hua, wo galat tha." Have one BJP leader held a press conference against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh the way Sanjay Singh held a press conference?
No.
Within 24 hours,
carry
Sanjay Singh
that
condemned
same
the
guy
incident.
with him in a plane. Abhishek Sudhir, he condemned
Padmaja,
and
let
then
me
he
tell you
accompanied the
very
same
clearly,
guy.
That is wrong. That
Somehow
is
that
wrong.
makes it better. How?
That is wrong. They shouldn't have done it. That is wrong.
Okay.
They shouldn't have done
Great.
it. They shouldn't have
Great.
done it.
So at
I'm
least
telling you
I'm
unequivocally,
glad
they shouldn't have
there
done
is there is some level of good sense that
I'm
you
a
are
man of principle,
exhibiting
Padmaja.
in
I'm a
unequivocally
man of
saying
principle.
that
That's why
this
no
sort.
political party will make me a spokesperson.
Thank you for that.
This is why nobody will make me a
Exactly, you hit the nail on the head, and that also explains the quandary of every other political party, whether it be the Samajwadi Party, whose chief said ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीजें हैं, or the Congress Party, from where Priyanka Gandhi said कि वो आपस में देख लेंगे कि क्या करना है, because sometimes political exigencies actually make you keep quiet on a situation where a woman was beaten. Let's never underestimate this enough. A woman Rajya Sabha MP of a party was beaten inside the house of a chief minister, and today we have heads of political parties saying it's an internal matter. Think of where we are at. Thanks, gentlemen, for joining me on Debate One.